Dear children, I am going back to the same lesson in a video format. Go through that and view that, and any doubt you can ask me. Now, shall we go enter the class with the video format? The first one, water is a primary need of every living being, whether it is a plant or animals. Every living thing's need is a primary need. Nobody can live without water. They cannot live. Plants and animals also need water. I've already told you. Water is a very, very important liquid. It covers the 3/4 of the earth. 3/4 of the earth, it is covered by water. That means 70% is water. It may be ocean, seas, rivers, and lakes. These are the sources of water. Now I will move on to the forms of water. I've already told you it's in three forms. One is solid, another one is liquid, another one is gaseous. The solid is ice, liquid is water, and water vapor is gas. When water is heated, you will get water vapor, that's gas. When it's cooled, you will get ice, that is a solid. The sources of water, the main sources are rain, and you have lakes, rivers, streams, oceans, seas, pumps, taps. All these are well, tube well, all these are sources of water. What is the purpose of water? Water needs for drinking, washing, cleaning, cooking, and its need for machineries and growing plants and keep you healthy. You need water because it keeps our body very, very healthy by cleaning it. These water sources are, during the daytime it evaporates. I told you, when we heat water you get water vapor. The water vapor goes to the sky and it contacts with the cold sky part and forms a droplet of water and fall as a rain. These rain water are collected in rivers or any water source, and it has been taken to the water house for purification. Even in steel plant, we have a very water house in Polampatti. There we clean the water, they send it to the township, and in and around the village of nearby village of our plant. These comes to our tap. This clean water comes to the tap. That has to be stored in a clean vessel with a lid on it. Lid means there should be a covering on it, and this water can be stored in buckets, pots, and any big vessels. Sometimes they store it in a tank and send it to the houses. These vessels must be clean, I told you. Suppose if you feel the water is not clean, you boil it. Always, that is the best way to do it. Boil the water and drink, because there is a lot of unwanted germs. That is the viruses, bacteria, all that. It will be there, that it be killed when we boiled it. Don't waste water. Dear children, so look at the man having the brush, the water is filling the sink. Now, please wash basin. Don't pollute the water, just don't throw things in the water sources. The factory people are sending unwanted waste, unwanted poisonous gases to the water sources. The animals will go and bath in the water sources. Naturally, the water source will become dirty. One day or other, we will, without these good water, we will be struggling with a lot of diseases. The end of it, I am just completing with your objectives. Water covers the 3/4 of the earth's surface. Water found in three forms: ice, water, and water vapor. Water can be changed from one form to another. Your water can change to ice, or water can change to water vapor. The water cycle, the heating of the water goes up to the sky and falling as a rain, is called water cycle. This water cycle can be, it will go on throughout the day and night. It is a continuous process. That's why we call it as a water cycle. Usage of water and wastage of water, next the pollution of water. All this objective is done in the class. If it is a little big lesson, a little harder for you, even then it's a very important lesson. See that you learn it. I'll make it very simplified, the question answers and the drawings. That will be easy for you. Repeatedly listen to the audio and the video. If you have any doubt, please come back to me with the other number. You know the number, other number, and or you call me and I will explain to you. Don't waste water from today. Don't pollute water from today. Tell others not to do it. You are all good children. Now you have learned something, you teach others. So far, you are doing your notebook so clearly, so neatly, and you are doing extra works also. I am very happy about it. If you do this fast, if you do this neatly, I'll send you next week another 5 stories for you to enjoy. After this, there's a lot of things which you can enjoy compared to your TV shows. I have a better things for you. See that you do your work faster and sit for the enjoyment classes. Right? Good day, children. Be healthy and safe. Bye.